Imagine a thief sneaking into your house every night while you're fast asleep. He doesn't smash windows or pick locks. He has the master key. He tiptoes to your safe, pulls out your cash, and instead of stealing the bills, he just snips off 3 to 4% from each one with scissors. Then puts it back neatly and vanishes. Morning comes. Your stack looks the same. Bank app shows the same number. You feel secure. But at the store, that burger is suddenly smaller. Gas doesn't fill the tank. The home you eyed, now further out of reach. This thief's name? Inflation. Most treat it like bad weather, something that just happens. But what if that's not true? What if inflation isn't random, it's hired help? Not a glitch in the system, but a deliberate feature, a hidden tax, shifting wealth from those who earn money to those who create it. Don't buy it? Let's ask Grandpa.
You kids are soft. Back in 1950, my summer gas station job bought a used Chevy, paid a college semester, and took Grandma to steak dinner every Friday, with bus fare left over.
Sure, Grandpa. I make $80,000 a year, and I'm financing a sandwich on my phone app because rent eats half my paycheck.
That's all those fancy lattes and avocado toast. Pull yourselves up by your bootstraps.
Grandpa, the toast is $20 now. Bootstraps cost $60. It's not the toast, it's the math.
Joe's right. The math is rigged. We're working harder, producing more with better tech than ever, yet ordinary people are falling behind. To see why, we need to expose the greatest financial sleight of hand in history. Back to the scene of the crime. Vietnam War, draining billions. Space race, earning cash. America's got a big problem. Back then, the US dollar wasn't just paper with dead presidents. It was a receipt, redeemable for real gold in the vault. The gold standard. Gold is honest. You can't print it, dig it, refine it. Real work. This kept governments in check. But politicians hate checks. They love spending to win votes. By '71, America printed way more dollars than gold backed them. France noticed first and started cashing in receipts.
Mr. President, disaster. The French sent a warship to New York demanding gold for dollars.
Just give it to them.
Can't, sir. Pay them and vaults empty by Tuesday. Everyone will know we're overprinted.
We can't admit bankruptcy. Political suicide. Options?
Option A, cut spending, tank the economy, lose election. Option B, change the rules.
B sounds better. How?
Say we're temporarily closing the gold window. Dollar no longer backed by gold, just our word.
Backed by nothing? Will the world buy it?
They have to. We've got the biggest military.
Temporarily 55 years later. August 15th, 1971, the dollar became fiat currency. Let it be done by decree. Or as we say now, trust me, bro. The tie to reality? Severed. Governments unlocked the ultimate cheat code. Unlimited money printer. No gold required, just ink or pixels. And boy, did they print. Think about it. Why not print everyone $1 million? We'd all be rich. Because obvious hyperinflation ends the game fast. They play subtle, via quantitative easing and bonds. Sounds fancy, but it's comically simple.
Yo, Fed, need a few trillion. War, bailout, again. Both. Taxes? Voters hate 'em. If I raise 'em, I'm out. Magic time.
Fine. Write an IOU. Treasury bond. Promise to pay later with interest.
Here, trillions in promises.
Cool. Open laptop. Add zeros.
Where'd that come from? Taxes? China?
Enter. Done. Nah, typed it. Out of thin air. Now go buy votes.
Catch that? Not earned, not saved, typed. Supply up, value down. Basic economics. Like if the Louvre printed 1 billion Mona Lisas at $1. Original, priceless? Nope. Wallpaper. Since 2020, US M2 money supply jumped about 40%, fueling sky-high homes and stocks, while real economy struggles. Not growth, debasement.
Boss, out of ink. Maybe stop printing?
Stop? I'd lose my job. Use my blood if you have to. Keep burring.
Okay, boss.
Worst part? New money doesn't rain evenly. It's sticky, like honey poured at the top. The Cantillon effect. Fresh cash hits banks, big corps, insiders first, before prices rise. They buy assets cheap.
Hot tip. Fed just printed trillions and dropped rates to 0. Borrow free money, boys. What to buy? Everything. Houses, stocks, crypto, while still cheap.
Hey! Can I get 0% loan too? Start a business?
You? High risk. Try your credit card at 25%. Oh, and we just bought your building. Rent up 30%. Market forces, kid.
By the time money trickles to your paycheck, years later, prices already exploded. Rich buy assets, creating bubbles. You pay bubble prices with old money. They steal your labor's value before you earn it. Inflation taxes rule followers and savers. In this game, savers lose. Why not stop? Return to sound money? Can't. Terminal stage. U.S. debt now over $38.5 trillion. Brain-melting huge. Counting to 1 trillion seconds takes 31,000 years. We owe 38.5 of those. Normal rates? Interest alone swallow all taxes. Instant bankruptcy. Trapped.
Can't pay. Math impossible. Now what?
Option A. Tell truth, default. Banks collapse, pensions gone, chaos.
Nope.
Option B. Inflate debt away. Print more. Dollar worth less, debt easier to pay.
But that crushes middle class, wipes savings.
Yeah. Blame greedy corps, supply chains, wars. People don't get money printer.
B it is. Max overdrive.
Always option B. History shows every fiat ends at 0. Roman denarius, Weimar mark. The dollar is just taking the scenic route. Cheaper than firewood. Think that's ancient history? Check your wallet. Breathe. Scary? Yes, if you ignore it. Panic costs. Knowledge pays. You can't stop the printer or fix the Fed, but you can exit the blast zone. Win rigged games by refusing their rules. They want you holding cash to devalue it. Don't. Swap melting dollars for hard assets bureaucrats can't print.
Got it! Money's on fire! Buy beans? Bullets?
Some beans won't hurt, but here are history's real lifeboats. Number 1, God's money. Gold and silver. Held value 5,000 years. Unprintable. Central banks bought record tons in 2025 despite high prices. Actions speak louder than words. Number 2, productive assets. Quality stocks. Own real companies creating value. Prices rise, their revenues rise too. Number 3, the code. Bitcoin. The first money with hard-capped 21 million supply. No dilution. Math opposite of fiat. Volatile, but a long-term hedge.
Crypto risky. Remember FTX?
Gambling is risky. Holding hard assets, necessary. Danger is in shady exchanges or meme chases. Use regulated, transparent platforms that actually custody your assets. But key is act. System punishes savers, rewards investors. The great wealth transfer is underway, from paper holders to asset owners. Which side are you on? Printers running, clocks ticking. Don't watch your life's work evaporate.